Are you tired of missing eBay policy changes that hurt your sales? Learn exactly where to find official news in under 2 minutes. I'll show you the exact path from your dashboard to the news section. Just follow these 6 simple clicks. Start by heading to your eBay dashboard, where you'll see your account overview. Now, hover over your name in the top right corner to reveal a drop-down menu. Then, click on Account Settings to access your account preferences. From there, click on Seller Center to open the Seller Tools. Next, click on News to see the latest updates. Finally, click on Overview to get a summary of the news. That's it. Happy selling! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.